Good morning. Good morning, IG. Well, let me be honest with you. I have been woke since about 5:05 this morning. And I decided to chill out and vibe with myself. But I am coming in right before 6 a.m. to say, I hope that you have an amazing day. I hope that you deliberately create this day. What does that mean? That means take 5 minutes, write down some things that you need to do in your personal life. Write down some thoughts that you've been having. Write down the things that you need to handle with your business. And then take at least another 5 minutes and breathe. Just say, Nam yo denge kyo. Just like breathe. And then take another 5 minutes to beam. What is beaming? Beaming is smiling, looking at the sky, being in gratitude, and saying, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I may not be over there. I might be right here, but right here is better than being over there, okay? Really, really stepping into a sense of gratitude. And then take another 5 minutes. So we're at 20 minutes. We have 20 minutes, but you should be waking up early enough to have 20 minutes, okay? Take another 5 minutes to really think about your why. Think about the sacrifice that you're going to make today. Think about that thing that you're going to do that's out of the ordinary for you today. And put intention behind it. I'm going to do this because I want that. I'm going to do this because I want that. That is one power that we have, is if we intentionally make a shift in our life, we have the power to say what we want to come from it. Now, the way that I like to do intentions is I like to do long intentions.
I'm having trouble hearing. Can you say that again?
No, I can't.
Playing oceans, where feet may fail.
Alexa,
Forever 90.
Stop.
I'm reminding you.
Alexa, stop. Child, Alexa is trying to tell me. I am on a schedule. So she's telling me it's time for me to move on to the next thing. Anyway, I like to do like a 30-day intentional period. So let's say if I'm intentionally going to wake up a certain time, if I'm intentionally going to eat certain type of food, if I'm intentionally going to sacrifice with workouts, if I'm intentionally going to sacrifice with writing something specific, if I'm intentionally going to come on live, these are things that I normally wouldn't do. So I set a time period that I'm going to do it with the intentions of something outside of that happening. It doesn't have to match. Like I can say, I'm going to come on live every morning at 5 a.m. with the intentions of manifesting a new car or a better relationship or a new diamond ring or whatever it is that you want. Take 5 minutes. I'm encouraging you. Take 5 minutes to think about your why. Because you know what? Your why will hold you accountable. Your why is going to hold you accountable. Okay? So anyway, I want to say good morning. Good morning to you. 5555. 5555. Don't forget to smile. Love you. I am Manifestation Coach Keyonna Divine, and I'll see you later on today. Bye.